Hi everyone, hope you're all doing good. So in today's video, we are going to talk about something very important. We are going to talk about something called as a global power shortage, or also known as the global energy crunch. So this is an interesting theme which is happening right now across the globe, and this may cause a very good opportunity for traders, but at the same time this can be a very big challenge for the global economy. So what we see here is that the stock prices of the companies which are in the energy segment, companies which are in oil, natural gas, power, as well as coal. So the companies which are dealing in these segments, they are seeing some extraordinary increase in the stock prices. Say for example, one of the company which has seen a very good increase in the stock prices from the last 4 to 5 weeks is Coal India. So if you look at the stock prices of Coal India, you can see that the stock prices have climbed all the way from 134 rupees, and right now it is trading somewhere around 186 rupees. So percentage wise, this is somewhere like 39% return within 4 to 5 weeks, right? So if you are lucky enough, somehow if you have managed to capture this particular opportunity over here, you might have made somewhere around 40% return within a short period of time, right? So not just Coal India, even other companies were also a part of this list. Say for example, another company which has seen a very good increase in the stock prices is Tata Power. So I personally took some trades in this particular company. So if you look at the stock prices of Tata Power, somewhere around from the end of August, the stock prices were trading somewhere around 123 rupees, and from 123 it has gained all the way till 157 rupees, right? So if you look at the price action from a percentage wise, this is somewhere around 28% return within 4 to 5 weeks. So just like this, there is also another company, ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. So one of the India's biggest oil and natural gas related company, as well as a government owned business. So this company's share prices have climbed all the way from 108 rupees to 144. So what's happening here is, across the world, we are seeing a kind of a global energy shortage. We are seeing a power crunch that is taking place all the way from Europe till Asia, right? So all these top energy related companies, companies which are in power segment, companies which are in oil and natural gas segment, companies which are actually in coal and other related energy segment, they are not producing enough quantities, they are not producing enough output. So this is causing a massive shortage of the energies, right? When I mean by shortage, we have very less quantity of energy to consume, right? So we have less quantity of crude oil, we have less quantity of natural gas, we have less quantity of coal, and also we have a less quantity of something like power. So when you have less supply, this can cause a big problem for the global economy. At the same time, the prices of all these different instruments like the natural gas, crude oil and all these prices can shoot up a lot. The prices can make a very huge upside movement. So right now, this is becoming a big problem in China as well as UK. So far we are not seeing any problems within our country. Within India, we are not seeing any kind of issues like these. But in upcoming future, maybe in the next couple of months, if this particular global energy crisis continues to expand, if this continues to go on for some time, then we may also see a impact of this. We may also get some, we may also see some challenges. We may see challenges in the form of rising crude oil prices. We may see the challenges in the form of rising coal prices. We may see increased electricity cost. So all these different things can have a major impact on the domestic economy also. So as a trader, you should pay attention to this particular theme. This theme which is happening right now can create wonderful opportunities for traders. So let us see how we can capitalize on this. So the best way to capitalize on this kind of energy crunch is to focus on the companies which are dealing in energy, coal as well as crude oil related business. So we need to pay attention to the stock prices. We need to analyze the price action of these different segments, the stocks which are in these different segments. And when we find good opportunities, especially when you find some good bullish trading setups, we can take positions on that. So personally, I'll be paying attention to different companies like Coal India, and I'll also be paying attention to a company like ONGC as well as Tata Power. But apart from this, we can also keep an eye on the companies which are in the Nifty Energy Index. So if you are not aware of Nifty Energy Index, let me explain this in a nutshell. So Nifty Energy Index is a index just like Nifty 50, but in Nifty Energy Index you have a group of companies which are dealing with commodities, petroleum, gas and power industry, right? So if you look at this particular index over here, you can see that this index have 65% of this particular index has oil and gas company, and 34% of this index has power company. So if you look at the list of oil and gas companies which are over here, we can come across some popular names, right? So we have companies like Reliance, we have companies like ONGC, IOC, GAIL and even Hindustan Petroleum on the list. Likewise, if you look at the power companies, we can see the names like NTPC, Power Grid, Tata Power, Adani Green, etc. So all these companies can have a very good see some very good improvement in the stock prices if this global energy shortage continues to happen. All right. So personally, I'll be paying attention to Tata Power because not only it is run by one of the biggest conglomerates in our country, that is run by the Tata Corporation, but also the company has very good fundamentals. So I'll be paying attention to the Tata Power. I will analyze the price action of Tata Power in upcoming days. If I find any good bullish trading opportunities, if I find any good bullish price action setups, I'm going to take position on this. Likewise, I'll also keep an eye on other companies like GAIL as well as NTPC, etc. So if you want to capitalize on this particular opportunity, you can also try to do the same. You can analyze the price action of the companies which are in this Nifty Energy Index. So analyze the price action. If you find good opportunities, take advantage of those opportunities. All right. So if this continues to happen further, we may see some good increase in these stock prices. Okay. So hopefully, I guess you found this particular video insightful. So if you have any questions or if you have any comments or any feedback, just leave it in the comment section below. I will try to go through it. And also, if you like this video, kindly click on the like button so that you can receive more insightful videos and more interesting contents just like these. And finally, thanks a lot for watching. Happy trading.